Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! For today's video, I'm going to share our recipe for a Chicken Galantina. The usual recipe calls for steaming the chicken. But for our version, we're going to roast it. Please watch until the end for special shoutouts. Let's start cooking! First, we need the whole chicken deboned. You can do it by yourself or you can buy in the supermarket and ask the butcher to do it for you. Next, we add a few drops of Worcestershire sauce, a few drops of Knorr liquid seasoning, chili flavor for a little kick. Also, add around 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. We also need the juice of 6 pieces of calamansi or the juice of half of a lemon. And then, season it with ground black pepper. That is all the ingredients we need for the marinade of the chicken. Gently massage the chicken until all the surfaces are covered with the marinade. Marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour. But when it comes to marinating, the longer, the better. Cover and place it in the refrigerator.
The next day.
Now, we're going to prepare the stuffing of the chicken. We need 1 medium-sized onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small carrot, and 1 small red bell pepper. Place it in the vegetable chopper and chop it into small pieces. You can also use a knife and a chopping board if you don't have a vegetable chopper. If you are new to cooking or a kid like me, I suggest you invest in buying a vegetable chopper. Now, we're going to mix all the ingredients for the stuffing. Add 1/4 kilo of ground pork. The chopped ingredients in the vegetable chopper. One teaspoon of garlic salt, or you can add more depending on your taste. Half a teaspoon of white ground pepper, half a teaspoon of Spanish paprika, one and a half tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs, 1 beaten egg, mix thoroughly. Remember, always wash your hands before touching food. use a spoon and place the stuffing inside the marinated chicken. After filling 1/3 of the chicken cavity, add 1 hard-boiled egg. And then, cover the hard-boiled egg with the stuffing. You can add more eggs if you want. But for this recipe, we use 2 hard-boiled eggs. Use a barbecue stick or a toothpick to seal the chicken cavity. Be careful when inserting the barbecue stick. You might accidentally poke yourself. Once the chicken cavity is sealed, break the extra part of the barbecue stick. Tie the chicken legs together using a butcher's twine. Place the chicken inside the turbo broiler. You can also use an oven if you have one. Pour the marinade on top of the chicken. This will add to the chicken drippings later. The chicken drippings will be used as our gravy. Set the temperature at 225 degrees Celsius and roast it for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, flip the chicken, add half cup of water, and roast it again for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, flip the chicken and brush the skin with oyster sauce. And then roast it again for another 5 minutes. After this, it is ready to serve. Don't throw away the chicken drippings. We would use it for our gravy. And now, for our gravy, add butter to a hot pan. Add 1 small onion. Saute until translucent. Add 1½ tablespoon of flour. Mix and cook for 1 minute. Add the chicken drippings and keep stirring until it has a gravy-like consistency. You can add salt and pepper depending on your taste. Once you achieve the thickness of the gravy you want, it is ready to serve. Malapit na ulit ang favorite part ko. It's Tiki Man time! I hope you try this recipe. It might look intimidating, but it is really easy to do. And I promise you, it's very delicious! Oras na ulit para sa ating special shoutout! Shoutout po kay Andre Jelly, Esther Safe, Bianca Ramirez, Orlando Amarsek, John Jelly, Zoe Hernandez, Lana Sanchez, Vicky Hernandez, Gilbert Torres, and to all of my new subscribers, and to all of those who have watched and helped me reach more than 10,000 views in one of my you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe. Stay safe, stay awesome, happy cooking. Bye!